Tonight, it's known that hundreds of passenger lives, maybe over thousands of passenger lives, were risked at the Goa airport. This is despite a warning given out to all airlines that between certain time parts, no single aircraft can land at the Goa airport. 4 airlines landed at the same runway. While the DGCA might claim it has taken action against the crews of 4 airlines, the question being asked is, why are the many airlines who made the mistake being spared and only the pilots punished?
Passengers' lives risked again despite the warning. Times Now first reported on the violations by 4 airlines at Goa airport.
But the warning seemed to have fallen on deaf ears. Airlines including Jet, Jetlight, Kingfisher and GoAir flouted rules and landed at the Goa airport yet again today, at a time when the precision approach path indicators were inoperative, forcing the DGCA to crack the whip. They're now saying that the entire crew in the cockpit should be de-rostered. But isn't it seeming like pilots are being made the scapegoats?
Both the PAPIs were switched off and the instrument landing were switched off because the work was happening and the threshold was displaced. And some airlines or some flights went ahead and landed. Technically, yes, it is a default.
Shaken airlines have come out with their side of the story, claiming no rules were violated. But can they dispute this?
Now, PAPI is a requirement which has been laid down by the DGCA, and the decision to land or take off when the PAPIs are not available is between the airlines or is solely the prerogative of the airline operators.
The DGCA has taken this issue very seriously, and rightly so. Any miscalculation on part of the pilots could have led to a fatal crash. At present, the action is against only the pilots, but the heat could on be the airlines very soon. In Mumbai, Kashif Khusro for Times Now.